Hi guys, welcome back to Jose's Digital Lair, to Jose's Digital Cave for another Spanish syllable learning lesson. And today we're gonna learn how to pronounce Spanish syllables with letter J. So the Spanish syllables with letter J sound as follow: ja, je, ji, jo, ju. One more time. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. And one more time. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Those are the Spanish syllables with letter J. Remember to keep practicing the syllables already learned. Stay tuned for the next lesson. In the next Spanish lesson, we're going to be learning Spanish syllables with letter G. Spanish syllables with letter G, they're a little bit more complicated due to the fact that letter G makes two different sounds. The Spanish syllables with letter G have the G sound, but they also make the J sound on two syllables, only on two syllables. But we will learn that next time when I teach you guys how to pronounce Spanish syllables with letter G. Okay guys, until next time, just keep practicing your Spanish syllables. Have a good day. Bye now. I need to work on my lighting.